These petal earrings are so sweet. Okay, so let's get started making these earrings. I already made one side, and I'm going to show you how to do the other side. So we're going to start off with these freshwater pearls. These are so pretty. They're so tiny. They're 3 millimeters, but their center drilled hole does fit a 24 gauge head pin, which I'm so relieved because I don't even know if they come in 26 gauge. So they fit, and I need 14 of them. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then let's see, that's got the end. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so I've got 14 of those. And then I've got keshi pearls. These are 7 to 8 millimeters. They are center drilled, and they do fit a 24 gauge head pin. They are freshwater keshi pearls. They're really beautiful. Then I've got 5 head pins. I already put 3 of the head pins through the keshi pearls, and these 2 I'm going to use for these pearls. And then I've got my earring embellishment and my backing. And for the tools, the standard ones, the flush cutters, chain nose pliers, and round nose pliers. And I've actually marked my round nose pliers for the loop for the keshi pearls are going to be here, and the little tiny freshwater pearls. And then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this big marking right here. Okay, so first we're going to set one of the keshi pearls aside, and then we're going to wire wrap these 2. So let's get started doing this. Pinching down the top, bringing it to the back, coming in with our round nose pliers, putting it right at the mark that we just made with our Sharpie, coming up, over, down, rotating our pliers, bringing the wire to the back, and then we're going to pinch down the loop here. You can use your fingers to go around, or you can use your bent chain nose pliers, because this is 24 gauge head pin. So I'm just going to use my bent chain nose pliers and go around. Looks like I can come around about 3 times. And then I'm going to cut off the excess. And I'm going to pinch my burr down. And then I'm going to do the same to the other one. To the back. Round nose pliers at the same mark. Come up, over, down. Rotate my pliers and bring the wire to the back. Hang on to the loop that I just made, and come around with my bent chain nose pliers and wire wrap around. And then I'm going to cut off my excess and pinch my burr down. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set this one aside because I'm going to do this one last, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to take my head pin and I'm going to string on 9 of the little pearls. These earrings are so pretty on. I needed something to wear when I go visit my daughter for the holidays, and I want to look nice with some original jewelry, so I came up with these petal clusters this morning, and I just rushed over here to see if I can make them. So I need 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I need 5 on the other side. Okay, so I've got 5 on that side. Let me set this aside, and now we're going to wire wrap the tops of these. Same way, we're going to come in the same marking, come up, over, down, rotate, bring the wire to the back, pinch our loop down. You can use your fingers or you can use your pliers to wrap around. I'm going to use my bent chain nose pliers. It's easier for me. And then I'm going to cut off the excess. And pinch the burr down. There's not a lot of wire on this to wire wrap, but we're going to try to do the best that we can. So I'm actually going to come in with my round nose pliers and pinch it as close as I can to the pearl. Bring the wire to the back. And I'm going to come a little bit less than that marking that I made because I don't have a lot of wire to work with. Then I'm going to come up, over, down, rotate, bring the wire to the back, hang on to my loop, use my bent chain nose pliers, and come around. Okay, now I'm going to pinch the burr down. Then I'm going to take my last keshi pearl and I am going to do a larger loop on this, and that's why I put the marking way back here, because I need a large loop on this, and I'll show you why we need to do this with a large loop. So we're going to come in, pinch it down, bring it up, over, down, rotate our pliers, bring the wire to the back, and now we're going to keep the door open, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide on one keshi pearl, then I'm going to slide on my tiny freshwater pearls, both of them go on next to each other, and then I'm going to put on my last keshi pearl. So it's going to look like this. So they're all down here on my hoop. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my earring wire and I'm going to actually flip it around, and I'm going to start with the back and go down. So they're all on the hoop of this one keshi pearl. And then what I'm going to do is take my chain nose pliers, I'm going to hold it down like that, and I'm going to wire wrap the last keshi pearl. Cutting off the excess. And pinching down the burr. Okay, let's see what these look like. There you have it. Aren't they beautiful? And then you just put your earring backing on. And there you have your petal clusters. So pretty. Happy holidays! See you again next time.